Hello to all the wonderful people present here. I am Baljeet Kaur, and from today we are going to learn spoken English. When it comes to English, many of you might get nervous, and the reason is lack of practice and lack of practice and lack of practice. There's only one reason why you aren't able to achieve fluency in the language, and that is lack of practice. If you understand this on the very first day, I'm sure you have won half the battle. So, today is an introduction class wherein I will be telling you or sharing some tips on how you can actually improve your spoken English. As I told you all lack in practice, right? That leads to nervousness, that leads to a lot of mistakes also. Do you know that? If you are not confident, the reason behind it is you are not practicing enough, you are not speaking in English at all, and all of a sudden, when you speak in the language, you make tons of mistakes. Step by step in our classes, that how actually we can achieve that fluency. And keep consistency, believe in yourself, work hard every day, only for 10 minutes. It's going to help you immensely in improving the language. Every day, just 10 minutes. That's all. Okay. So, your natural techniques like, where you can speak with someone at home, or if there is nobody with you, who can speak with you, right? Can practice with you. You can actually do mirror practice. That means few minutes every day you need to speak to yourself in the mirror. It's very important that we speak out some affirmations whenever we do that. Because anything you want to achieve, it's not difficult, students. If you believe in yourself, let it be anything. It is not impossible to achieve, right? So the first thing is that you need to believe in yourself. Speak some great affirmations, which I will share in the next video. And affirmations are like some positive talk you do to yourself, right? Like, I am feeling great, I am healthy, I am happy, I am doing my best. These are affirmations. And these actually help you to achieve a lot in your life. So, in this introduction video, I want to tell you that on this channel, what you are going to learn is English communication, how to communicate, and the essence of the language, that is vocabulary. I truly believe if one has a good vocabulary, you can really achieve a lot, and you can sound impressive. So when you speak, there are certain factors that we should consider, like body language. Okay, the way now you see I'm using my hands. This is extremely crucial when you speak, right? Second, voice modulation, right? The tone and the voice I am maintaining, that's very significant. Okay, voice modulation is there, so we'll work on all of this. And there is also something known as vocabulary and application. Now, if I say that many of you are using very basic vocabulary, okay, for example, if I say, I am so happy today, I sound really basic. Our goal is to communicate confidently and impressive, right? We have to be really, we have to speak in an efficient way, right? So instead of saying, I am happy today, you can say, I am jubilant today, or I am delighted today. Now, it sounds much better than those old ways of speaking when you say happy, using very a lot of times. So in the coming classes, I'm going to bring some lessons that will help you achieve efficient vocabulary. Okay? I will make sure that you develop a habit of practice, which is the key. Not practice one day and leave the other day. You have to be consistent with practice and building habits. Okay? Once you're doing that, definitely you will see improvements. In most of the things, whatever we try to do, consistency is the key. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you so much.